5 o'clock na.
Oo nga.
In the afternoon. Hindi lang. Ano ko lang ito. Ano na itingin? Madan yung aeroplano galing JFK. Yan yung aeroplano. Good afternoon. Hello. Hynix. Luciano's PlayStation. Said hi, hi. Hi, Luciano. Hi. What is Hynix 7590. Uh, 8 yung nagano, 8 yung Hello. Luciano PlayStation. Hynix. Maganda ano. Maganda itong beach. Hi, Nay.
Buwang na.
How are you, Nanay?
Hot.
Huh?
Hot. Feeling hot.
And then,
Nangangati. Ang paa.
then yung helicopter. What sea? We are in Rockaway, New York. Rockaway Beach. Oh, that's airplane.
Galing sa JFK din.
Oh yeah. See? From John F. Kennedy.
Lapit na
There's
sa-
airplane. It's just near here. JFK is just a few miles away. So that is, we are in front of the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, that's the Atlantic Ocean. Hi Nick 7390 Luciano PlayStation, hello. Who else? Oh, 14 yung nanonood, 14.
Oh.
Dalawa na nagano. Oh, yeah.
Daddy.
Nay, say hi. Hello, Nay.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello. Hi, hello. Kumusta? How are you?
Hmm?
Ang sarap ng tawa ng ari. Oh. 5 o'clock.
Bye, hi, Nick.
Mainit pa. Sobrang init.
Yeah. It's sweaty.
It's so sad.
Yan ang ano, that's the
Maganda dito. Dadalhin mo yung garbage mo sa palabas. Kasi walang garbage.
hmm?
Maganda dito. Ikaw magbitbit ng garbage mo doon palabas at itapon mo sa labas.
Hmm.
Kasi parang walang garbage bin sila sa looban. Ay, hindi ako nakakita ng garbage bin. So you need to carry your garbage outside and bring it outside so no one can pick up that garbage.
Tomorrow I'll be here every day. I'm gonna be coming every now and then. It's therapeutic here. The ocean is so vast.
it's long.
Ocean.
There's two different here in Rockaway and Coney Island. It's fun in Coney Island too. They're so quiet and not so crowded, but it depends on the days because today is weekdays and every time we cruise in Coney Island it's weekend, so it's too much people. And we don't know if it's we can hear the same thing like now. Nanak, are you ready to go home? Yes or no? Hmm? A little bit. Can we get ready around like maybe 5:30?
It's so cool here.
Freezing naman siya, freezing. Mahangin-hangin siya. Mahangin-hangin naman.
Masarap mag dito pag summer.
Parang malapad dito yung malapad. At saka yung ibang seating nila dito.
Mhm.
Ibang seating nila dito. Maganda. Pero kasi ang pagkaiba naman simento doon sa hindi ko.
But this is much better than Coney Island.
Much better.
Yeah, it's overcrowded there.
Hindi. Kasi weekdays tayo ngayon pumunta eh, Monday. So, mga tao mostly may mga trabaho. So, hindi natin alam kung sa Saturday, Sunday pa rin. Hindi din crowded. Kasi siguro crowded eh. Kasi marami-raming mga tao.
Yeah, it's crowded here.
Office days today, this week. It's today, Monday. Inaantok na ako. Ganda dito yung mga dyan nakatira lang sa condo unit. Kasi pag punta sila, dala lang ng tao.
Ay, madali lang. Oh. Tatakbo lang from there. And then,
Oh, look. So po yung aeroplano.
ayun yung aeroplano. Oh. Ayan o, kita nyo, that's the airplane, you see?
Kaya pala tayo, di ba, naalala mo nung
Yes.
after nung
Ayan na.
World Trade Center na may crash dito na aeroplano sa
Dito lang, yan.
Malapit ang bahay niya dyan na siguro.
Yeah.
Nag-swim lang siya, nagpahinga. Sa sunod, dala tayo ng cooler. May cooler tayo doon na bag lang din. Bigay ni Ann ang cooler. Dala tayo ng cup fruits.
Pwede.
Kailan, kung walang work na pag hindi mo sterling ang work mo, ikat lang year sa akin.
Yeah, Saturday. Ganda rin, ganda rin. Saan yung aeroplano? Oh,
Jet glow.
that's yun ang aeroplano.
Yeah, jet glow.
Dito dumadaan eh.
Yeah, maraming dahil ka lang dito.
Ah,
Pinti kasi yan sa weather.
Plano naman. Malaki yan, oh.
Ang laki yan.
Malaki yan, oh.
Super.
Ah, grabe yung aeroplano na yan.
Nakakatakot yan. Oh, ano? Switzerland na flag. Yeah. Yung,
Swiss Airline.
Swiss Airline. Mas malaki yun. Jeep talaga.
Jumbo. Mga 737 yan.
Ayun ay papunta yun sa siguro yung maliit lang na jet to.
Europe yan.
Papunta lang yun sa ano, sa San Francisco or somewhere. Tuyo ka na, Nana? Gusto mo pa magbihis o hindi na? Mag-cover ka na lang ng damit. Okay. Pagdating sa bahay, maligo ka. Okay. I have, mayroon na pong damit na pangka, ano, istida na haba. Papalitan mo lang itong t-shirt mo. Para hindi masyado malagay. Yeah.
Ganda ng dagat, oh.
Yeah.
With, ano ba yan? Yung Donald.
Kanina wala na, ilan na lang ang server na tira. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Another airplane.
Maliit lang yan. It's not big.
Yeah, that one is coming. That one is coming. That's the airplane. Ah,
Ano naman na?
Delta.
Delta. Mga ano lang yan. Dito lang yan. Kasi hindi masyadong malaki. Hindi international. Ilan ang aeroplano dumaan? Dami na.
Meron pa isa.
Ayan pa isa uli. Araw-araw
Every
dumaraan
minute.
din.
Every minute, see?
Iya. Pero kanina wala eh. Kanina may lumilipad ba?
Another one, yeah.
Baka nakaschedule ngayon maraming lalabas. Lumilipad. Hindi ko alam wala yung pangalan. Private siguro yan, maliit pa. Private siguro yan. Bakit umiikot sila? Doon sila pumunta. Gaganyan sila tapos doon pupunta. Isakyan na sila doon. Look. Tapos mag-reserve na sila doon sa may cloud. Wala na. Hindi na mag-reserve.
See, there's another one.
Sa kabilang side naman siya nagdaan. Right po.
There's another one. This is a big one. That's a big, big one. That's a big, big one.
Malaki yung Switzerland kanina. Talaga palang ang aeroplano, no? Pero mo, pag-cross siya sa Atlantic Ocean,
Hmm.
dinig pa rin niya ang Atlantic Ocean. How far is that? Wala na makita yun. Pero see, even to the mountain or something. Nanagpuan ang pambagyo sa atin.
Yeah, let's go camera. See?
What's that?
24.
Oh, there's another one. Where's that?
Where's the other one? There's
big sound.
no, there's no
But
more.
no, the other one. Uwi na tayo na, ha? Muna ni. Junakis. Junakis. Nanak, are we going home now?
Hindi lang, wala pa. Oh, this
there's
one
a
is a
big
big one. That's a big, big one. That's a big, big one. Oh. Oh my. That's a big, big one. Virgin. Dito dumadaan yung aeroplano galing JFK.
Ayan, anong plano tayo? Gumagalaw. Marta, hindi las bukas? No? We cannot go.
Pwede rin. Ganda pag itim, ano, hindi, kahit hindi nila sila mag, ano, yung
No, we still
Really?
putting sunblock. Sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Dahil titiklop din ang skin nila pag nasubrahan ng karoon sila ng sunburn. It's not good din sa skin nila. We still applying the sunscreen. Tayo lang mga Pilipinong takot umitim. Ako hindi ako takot umitim. I'm okay. Itim ka ngayong summer, pagdating ng winter. Mas mahaba ang winter sa summer, kaya babalik uli yung skin mo. Kung ano talagang skin. Tan. I'm done. Yan ang gusto ng mga puti dito ta. Puting feet. Kaya nga sabi nila bakit ninyo pinapalitan ang kulay nyo? Ang ganda ng kulay nyo. Well, some people doesn't like to be tan, but to be fair complexion like white. The American people do like our color. It's a brown. That's why pag summer, tuwang-tuwa sila kasi magbubad na sila sa initan kaagad para mag-change yung kulay nila. Anak, you wanna take off your your shirt and put your dress, so you could take off these shirts and change the another shirts, so it's not going to be cold for you later. Pwede ka dito mag-change na, anak. Ipasok mo yung, isuot mo yung bestida. And you could change it here. Hindi mo kailangan magbanlaw. Ligo kapag dating sa bahay. Come on na. Come on. You need to go home soon. It's almost 6 o'clock at night. I'm going to work tomorrow. I need to catch my train to Tulungan. Can I have that bag? Can you give me the bag? Oh! Okay. Hold on. Take that t-shirt. The orange one. Tatay, wag mo siya. Take the orange one. Take that out. It's fine. You're wearing a sports bra. That's it. Pag mabasa yan, you can take out, go inside. And then magpalit ka ng drum. Tanggalin mo yung drum sa loob at palitan mo yung drum sa loob. Kaya mo? Okay.
It's 5:33 na PM.
Pwede. Pasok mo yung ito mo sa loob.
5:33 PM Eastern Time.
pumasok ka at kalitan mo. For what? Okay. Here. Tanggalin mo muna yung bra. Tapos ilagay mo yung... Ito yung isang bra mo. Tapos ito yung isang bra mo. Take it out. Huh? Got it. Here's the towel. Andun yung sa mong bra. Boogie board.
74.
For viewers. Marami ng tao. Ah? Four.
5. There are 5.
Oh, they're watching now because it's early morning. 6 something. They're ready to go to work. Us, we're ready to live in a beach and go to sleep. It's already nighttime, but it's still sunny. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening, right? But it's still, the sun is still there. It's still hot. And the back. Okay. Okay, you're fine. Okay. Now you can stand up and put your stuff. Okay. You wanna change your ito? Ba't basa yan? What happened?
The pad.
Oh, the pads?
Ang dami ng tao.
Pero yung isang aling, may dinidiligan siya dun sa bato.
Ha?
Yung aling na kaping, may dinidiligan sa top ng bato. I don't know what it is.
Nice.
Yeah. Because you're ano. Come here. Over here. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh.
There's another.
There's another one.
You can take off the thing.
There's an airplane.
And I have the towel.
Basang-basa ba yan?
Yeah.
Come here. Hold on. Tatay, I'm gonna get that. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get it.
Idandaan lang. Idandaan lang.
Baka kasi cement lang sa
It's so sandy. Wait, I need poop. Die! Got the
I'm good. David Rocha. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Thank you. How are you? How do you do? Oh, it's 9. Hi, David. David.
Gonna change your shirt? Or you're okay? Not tight.
Ito lang.
I think it.
Open it not too.
Huh?
You can open it not too quick because it might burst out. And brush your hair.
Still fizzing.
From Zik. Heineck is from Czechoslovakia. Heineck.
Langga, brush your hair. I know. Where's your furniture?
This is wow. That's a big one. Oh, that's a drone. See? That's a drone. Do you see that? That's a drone. See? That's a drone. See? Do you see that? That's a drone. See? Is it allowed?
Maybe there's a vlogger.
I think no, because this is near the airport. Why are they allowing it? It's a drone.
I don't know. Maybe drone yan ang ano lang. Sa survey. Who knows? Ellie, mabasa ka na naman dyan, LL. Shh. Mababasa ka. Lalong didikit yung ano. No. Lalo didikit yung lupa sa paa mo. It's good, eh? Yung ano ng ano. Ayan na naman, may isa.
Ah,
Isang malaki.
yeah. There's a one. There's a. Uh, 747. That was a good one. That's a good one.
I put the bags
Yeah.
sa ano.
There's another one. There's another one. There's another one here. Here. That's a nice one.
Balik natin, dalawa ng bibit-bitin natin. May isa pa tayo. Ito yung isang umbrella ng hard rock. Medyo mabigat eh. Kasi ito, may isa tayong ganito pala.
Okay. I see you.